Hello everyone, today's video how to import your Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify inventory file to Bonanza booth. I will show you step by step how to import items to Bonanza site. Guys, after you log in, you can see that your page look like that, selling account. I'm going to show you how to import eBay, Amazon, Etsy, Shopify item to Bonanza site. First, you had to go that selling. You can see that selling. Click that selling. Can see that import from Amazon, import from eBay, import from Etsy, import from Shopify, import from inventory file. So I'm going to click each one. First Amazon. You can see that Bonanza can import the item you have for sales Amazon to your Bonanza booth, all free of charge. This process can take up to a few hours to complete depending on the number of items being imported. Since we import item batches, your booth will update it with the new items as we finish each batch. Okay, I don't have Amazon account, then I show you that later on eBay. I have only eBay account, everything how to import step by step eBay to Bonanza site. First, I want to show you that read. You can see that if you need help, you can visit the help section. First, read the Amazon import guide. You can see that scroll down. How do I import fulfill by Amazon FBA items? Visit your selling import from Amazon page. Talk about this part. Go to selling, then import from Amazon. Then come into a page like that, then you can connect your Amazon account. Import from Amazon, you have to check this box. Okay, Amazon import setting, they give the example like that. You can follow this one. Keep my Bonanza listing, decrease quantity of items, and discount. If you want, you can put the discount price by percentage. Amazon import setting, you can follow exactly like that. The Amazon, you have to click this import fulfillment by Amazon listing, then you can import the items. Okay, that's Amazon side. Then eBay I'm coming to later on because I'm only right now import from eBay. I don't have Amazon or Etsy, Shopify. Same thing Etsy. Same thing I'll show you that Amazon, same way you have to import from Etsy. More information and visit the help center. Forgot to talk about this part. When you click that green button, connect to Amazon account, you're going to sign in, email your phone number, password, then you have to log in your account. And we have to click that download data, then download CSV. Going to Etsy, import to Bonanza site. Shopify also same thing. Then we have to log into your Shopify stores, email account, password. Okay, going to selling, then scroll down, you can see that Shopify. Click that import from Shopify. Again, when you click that green button, connect to your Shopify account, you can follow the same direction of what they giving to you. Give your app a name and allows to you easily recognize it is your connection Bonanza importer. Then enter your email address to your Shopify stores to Bonanza site. So going to selling dashboard. You can see I'm not connected to eBay site. Your eBay account is not fully connected. Update you eBay connection. Like guide, I have to follow steps, then see how we can import from eBay to Bonanza. I want to know more about read eBay import guides. All about the eBay import, so you can find out any important details, then you can follow the guides. So I back to the site. Okay, I'm going to connect your eBay account, I mean my eBay account. You won't see the setup guide. Yeah, same thing I did that Amazon. I click the link, then going to, you have to put your eBay name and a password, then sign in. It's going to be connect Bonanza. Remove all the items that were removed, expire or ended or any reason on eBay. So I keep only remove the item was sold or ended or eBay. Do not remove when expired. That's important. So anything happen Amazon, eBay, so you're gonna be remove all the items. So that's why you have to keep only remove item that was sold or ended on eBay. Do not remove when expired. So anything happen from eBay, Amazon, or any other site, don't worry about the Bonanza site. You already have the pictures listing item. That's a cool thing. Otherwise you have to take all the pictures from beginning. You know how hard is 500,000 item get back to pictures from beginning. uh, that's why this is a cool system. So I keep the only remove item when sold. Item prices and status. Okay, I keep discount prices. Boost traffic, that's good for the boost traffic for your item. I keep it that, and pretty much good. Then I'm going to connect eBay account. Right guys, I put the password and everything connected. Now grant application access Bonanza. Okay, you have to read that policy, so I don't have to read now the policy. And by clicking agree button, then it's gonna be agree. Alright, import items from eBay. Bonanza can import that item you have for sales on eBay to your Bonanza board. Okay, alright, everything connected now. You can see import new item only. So far only one item, that's already had one. It's going to be a few hours and then I can see the whole item, then I'll show you guys. Okay, now I can see successfully they added 198 item from eBay. You can see that item, my listing from eBay. Okay, that's cool thing. Less than 5 minutes they added 198. So I already have almost 400 item from eBay. Going to be another 5 minutes. I can see whole item from eBay to Bonanza. Oh, I like that cool system. That's pretty much about the system. I love it. Then you can do it yourself. That's detail about today video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe Innocent Tech YouTube channel. Get more videos in the future. Thank you. Have a great day.